Look, the innocent beast is about to fall off the cliff.
Do you?
You're my fairy godmother.
The